Hi everyone, it's Coach Fred, and I'm going to be going over SAT Practice Test 7 Math non-calculator, number 7. Remember, number 7 starts to get a little bit trickier, so we got to be careful. I love this question. It says, which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? So remember, equivalent means that it's just another way to write this equation. I notice that my answers all are quadratics. I know my original expression is quadratic. This is in standard form, and these are in vertex form. It just wants to know, how can we write x squared plus 6x plus 4 in vertex form? So you actually have two options, depending on what you remember, okay? So first thing I just need the vertex. Well, in standard form, you can find the x coordinate of the vertex by doing negative b over 2a. So that would be negative 6 all over 2 times 1, so negative 3. So I know that my x coordinate of my vertex is negative 3, and so I could throw out c and d because we know that inside the function we change the sign of the x coordinate, so it would be the opposite. So it would be a or b. So now I have to test my, my k, because remember, vertex form is x minus h squared plus k. Okay, so I'm going to take my x, I'm going to plug it in. Negative 3 squared plus 6 times negative 3 plus 4. Plus 4. So I get 9 minus 18 plus 4, and that gives me negative 9 plus 4. So my y coordinate would be negative 5. So that would be b. All right, so that would be if you were going to keep it in standard form, and you'd have to remember negative b over 2a. To get something from standard form to vertex form, some of you may remember you can actually complete the square. So I'm actually going to set up an equation with y to make it a little bit more familiar, okay? Okay, so the first thing that your teacher probably told you to do is to isolate the 4 and bring it to the other side to get it out of the way. Then take half of 6 and square it, which is going to give me 9. But at whatever you add to one side, so if I add that 9 by completing the square, I have to add it over here. So I get y plus 5 equals. Then I turn this perfect square trinomial into the square of a binomial, which is factored form of it. So x plus 3 squared. And then I subtract the 5 back. So y equals x plus 3 squared minus 5. So either way will work. Either way, you're trying to figure out the vertex and make sure you recognize vertex form. And remember, it's always the opposite of h. So I always say change sign, keep sign. So my answer still would be B. All right, hopefully that was helpful. Have a great day.